Matt Tebbutt initially covered for fellow TV chef James Martin on BBC's Saturday Kitchen before replacing him permanently in 2016. Celebrity chef Matt Tebbutt appeared to make a cheeky dig at his former colleague and rival TV chef James Martin. Tebbutt replaced Martin as host of BBC show Saturday Kitchen in 2016, having previously served as a stand-in presenter. Appearing on the Spooning with Mark Wogan podcast, Tebbutt seemingly poked fun at his TV predecessor. It came after Wogan branded the 50-year-old the thinking person's James Martin during a discussion about his telly career. Wogan then asked the chef why there appears to be a rivalry between weekend television chefs. Wogan said, "There's a mild rivalry with weekend chefs? What is that about?" Tebbutt replied, "Viewing figures. Can we stay on air? Can we pay our mortgage?" Before Wogan expanded, "There's your good self, there's James, who used to be where you are." To which Tebbutt mischievously interjected, "James is doing exactly the same thing on ITV." After wanting to leave, however, Tebbutt soon pointed out the celebrity chefs do get on, describing comments between the presenters as friendly rivalry. Although he did concede each star wants to have the biggest viewing share. Martin left the BBC and Saturday Kitchen 8 years ago, moving to rival broadcaster ITV to front James Martin's Saturday Morning. The latest series of the show concluded on June 8, with Martin paying tribute to fans on social media. He wrote, "Thank you all for tuning in as we air the last show of this series before the summer break. We look forward to August and returning with more amazing guests and chefs for you. Thank you."